What is up, y'all? Chris Jordan. I wanted to make a video on my trading today and yesterday. And as you can see from this, we had these huge candles, like huge candles, pop up. Like I was literally just in the trade, and it shot up all the way up here from news, and then shot all the way down here. And this is within 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute up, comes up here, it shoots up here, then down all the way down here. It was crazy. It was a crazy 1 minute. Let me see how it looks on 15. Okay. But anyways, I'm up 664 on the day on this little combine for Top Step. But I'm going to show you uh, what trades I took. I'm pretty sure it's going to go all the way down here, but if it doesn't, cool. Because I could have gotten for another sale and stayed in, but I'm not trying to be greedy. Because market lately, these market conditions have been crazy lately. So let's get into the video. So first, I'll have to talk about it in a later video about how I've been trading. I kind of switched my approach up uh, to make it more clear on what I'm looking for when I'm trading. So obviously I trade the 15-minute chart, but lately I've been using the 5 minute and 1 minute for entries. Right? Usually on the 15-minute chart, I'll just enter in when it gets to a certain area, and then that would be it. Let me actually lock out my account because it's looking dangerous out here, making me want to get in because I knew it was gonna go down. So this is how I've been trading lately. Lately, I've been trading um, key areas, liquidity sweeps, and fair value gaps, and sometimes order blocks. Now you're probably wondering, well, dang, Chris, like in the past, you said you don't need this and all this and this and that. Just keep it simple. Yes, I did say that. But for me, who's such a logical person, over time, especially over the last month of trading, since it's been like crazy, the markets have been hard or whatever, I need something that can kind of define why I'm getting into a trade. But I'll go over that in another video. So today, I took sales today. I did take one buy. If I go to my uh, performance, sorry. As you see here, one we're up 15.45. And I've been taking 1 or 2 trades a day. Today was hectic. I'm gonna go over that. So, what did I see here? First off, I seen a 15-minute fair value gap here. So it was 8:30 on this candle. I waited. I set an alert here. As you see, they had a fair value gap or whatever you want to call it right here. So I ended up getting in for a sale. Now at first it did go against me. If I go to actually I could go to the 1 minute to show you exactly where it is. Where's the 8:30 candle? Okay, so this is around 8:30. It pushed up here. I got in for a sale. At first, it rejected the fair value gap, so it went down, and I got in for break even. And then it ended up shooting past the current high, right, the most recent high. So I was like, okay, this is probably going to be a liquidity sweep, which it did sweep, and then it sold off back into that fair value gap. So it was kind of buying and selling around. There's a lot of consolidation here, right? So I ended up getting out for a sale, and I seen that we were struggling to get past this area. So I got in for another sale somewhere in the middle, about right here. And next thing I know, when 9 a.m. hits, we have this, it goes down, and we have this huge blue candle within 1 minute. So I ended up getting stopped out for a loss because obviously I had like my stop loss somewhere back here. We ended up getting stopped out for a loss. It shoots up. I was like, okay, it's going to sweep this again and then sell off, and that's exactly what it did. And as you can see, like I said earlier in the video, it's probably going to come all the way down here, and that's exactly what it did because price has to get to those higher, most recent high, most recent low, and now it's you know buying or there's buyers coming into the market. Um, so it's pretty simple. I got in because I seen where's it at? Where's the 8:30 candle at? Sorry, this 15 minute. Okay, or no, this is 5 minute. So seeing it come up here to this fair value gap on the 15 minute sold, I was in profit. Then we had this huge candle, sort of like a doji kind of, and then we had this huge buy up from a bunch of buyers or the algorithm or whatever you want to call it, and then we had a huge sell off. So that's exactly how I profited today. Now, if you look at my most recent trades, I've been taking one contract every day. One contract every day. I scaled in on this one, but still one contract. This one I took 10 trades. Now, these 10 trades are a mix between NQ and MNQ. Um, I think I'm going to stick with just trading MNQ because NQ, the move is so small, but you could be down 1,000 quick. But as you can see, I've been staying in trades longer with MNQ lately. Then this was crazy. So I started off losing $92 with MNQ. I went back up NQ with 145, and then we just had the market went against me in a sense. Well, it didn't go against me. It went up. It had to sweep the most recent high or whatever. So I was supposed to stop out early, but I thought it would come back down. I was down 845. Um, it did get up there. I sold. So this is when it was kind of dancing around. I stayed in my short. I entered extra trades. Stayed in my short. Okay, this is when the huge push up happened with that 1 minute candle. No, this is not it. Sorry. This is when it happened. But as you can see, I've been pretty consistent with my trades. This is when the 1 minute candle happened, and then I got out for 1,000. So I should be up more, but it is what it is. But that's basically how I traded today. Pretty simple. Traded 15-minute fair value gap. It went down a little bit. I got into profit. It swept the most recent high. Once it swept, it came back down. We had some news come out, shot back up, and came back down and touched both areas, the most recent low, most recent high. And I'm just keeping it simple like that. Now, this is some advice for people who, may be struggling with trading, or, they're just not necessarily, well, I guess they can say, like, how to trade, you've been profitable, you've taken payouts, but, you know, it just feels like you're losing. Like, you can't read the market, and you're comparing yourself to other people. Number one, get off of social media and take a break from trading. And take a break from trading for like a day or two, and then get back to learning. And I kind of got comfortable because trading had became so kind of easy for a second. So I got comfortable. I started just waking up, looking at the chart. Okay, I'm gonna sell here, yawning like I am now. And over time, it kind of cost me my discipline. So I had to get back to the drawing board. I had to learn more, learn more. I had to get off of social media because I kept comparing myself to others. And I feel like mentally I'm back. And it actually introduced me. And also I started learning from learning, I guess they are ICT concepts or whatever. I started learning that. I'll mention the YouTuber in the next video. But I started learning that and studying that, and it made things a lot more systematic for me, for somebody who's more logical, like I said, like myself. On top of that, um, what was I gonna say? It made trading more systematic for me. But on top of that, it by me learning, it gave me more confidence in the market. Even when I was losing, it gave me more confidence. Even when before I started this combine account, it gave me more confidence on paper trading and trading on Tradeify, because I started to see, okay, I'm understanding how the market moves, which I already understand, but the little small details is kind of what helped me the most. I know I'm kind of ranting, and this is my first YouTube video in like 3 weeks, so I'm just gonna shut up and I'll talk about it in the next video. So see you guys later. Peace.